How to turn off two-factor authentication in your Facebook. So let's get started. So go and open up your Facebook account. From here you have to click on this menu icon that is in the bottom right corner. From here go in the settings and the privacy and again click on the settings. So now once you're in the settings and the privacy of your account, from here you have to go in the see more in your account center. Now you have to tap on the password and security. From here click on the two-factor authentication and from here you have to choose an account to set up the or turn off the two-factor authentication. And once you select your account, from here you have to go in the security keys and click on the next. Now here if you already set up the authentication of the two-factor, then you just have to simply off this. And that's how you can turn off your two-factor authentication in your Facebook account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.